Nongoma FM 88.3 we play you listen insizwa ke sinawo la studio shaya ushuno omnandi kuyade ngincoma lensithi isa Donald muyilalela mceboz kuhamba kahle
hayi
ngakufaka lokho ukuze sizwane kahle no problem khululeka kuyazwakala ngithi kuhamba kahle
ngiyazwakala
okay mfowethu awushela uqani nomculo
ngiqala ukwenza music I think it was 2011
okay kwakwenze njani uqala umculo ongasiqali ngani ushaya usini ingoma mhlambe okanye ube yigosa lengoma yezinsizwa kungani wakhetha lenhlobo yomculo
okay ithi nje ngiqala ekuqaleni
kahle
the time ngiqala ukwenza music I was doing hip hop music
okay
so since like ngenza music on the way like kunezinto ezintsha like engisifundayo I was a rapper kahle
rapper sir
before nje ngicule I knew ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucula but abengasinto ukuthi like nje sengaba umculi like mina bengizibona ngumuntu orapper so leyo kucula ngithola endleleni like abantu mabezwa ivoice yami like bengitshela ukuthi wena why ungaculi because ivoice yakho kahle nje umuntu oculayo we know ukuthi uyakhona ukurapper but lento iyona ile so like since like bengenza vele hip hop until ngihlangana no DJ Prophet who introduced me kulo music warehouse ukuthi mfethu because you've got a good voice why don't you try ukuthi like ushaye ingoma e1 nami senze house music
okay
ngamtshela naye ukuthi you know what angaze ngenze house music before yabona so but ngizozama because ucula ngiyawazi okay thank God ukuthi sayenza ingoma and abantu bayithanda and most of the people bangitshela ukuthi yazi mfethu kahle umusic okuyiwona wono wakho yiwo lo and then from there I started ukuthi like ngiqhubeke ngenze house music
okay so zingako sikwazile ukuyikhipha ingoma
engizenze solo Z2 happy song the one I've been pushing previously then le engishaya manje is 2
okay
then the rest lezi ezinye zingama feature
okay ubukela kubani emculweni
I role model yami kahle nje usisibusi
boss
uyena ngimthanda kakhulu but laba abanye ngiyabukela kubona because benza the same music lo engwenzayo
okay
but nje ngimthanda kakhulu
boss shothi nje manje uyafika emcimbini ngempela uthi uyafika ufike yena useyehle stage wena ungavela ubonda usula kuselimoshakela
kakhulu
so kuba mfethu be hip hop abala eMzansi bani mhlawumbe ungathi uyafisa kwenye isikhathi ukusebenzisa naye
KO
okay
Casper
okay Mr Philip Tonton
that's the only thing I like
the rest awuhlangana
you know why I like Casper I like Casper because like when it comes to business
business minded
okay he's much creative that guy that's the only thing I like about him I do listen to his music but not that much some of his songs not all of them
wow mcebo sina studio emsakazweni wakhe Nongoma FM exactly 19 minutes before kubumbana ihora lesihlanu ngale ka 5 o'clock khumbula suke sesibuza ukuthi zithena apha ngakuphi weekend yakhe guide yakhe kanjani uzosithinta kuyo lo number 0637134872 so bese sakwazi ukubuyela kuwena sizokuzwa ekhaya ukuthi uthina sibheke Facebook page yeNongoma FM tabathini abantu bathini lapha ya kwinsizwa umcebozi ligama lithi umcebozi isukaphi
ngajula ke igama leli angizange ngabo umcebo
wajabula wajula
kahle
ungelady D
igama lami ucebo lenkosi seliphelele then nelinye igama futhi lesibili umzomuhle
lesingisi awunalo lesingisi
anginalo umzomuhle then isibongo ngwakaZulu so I decided ukuthi ngihlanganise lento ibe into eyodwa then ngathatha uM okuyigama lami elumzomuhle ngamfaka eqaleni ngakhansela ulenkosi kwaba umcebo then nga-add uzethu esibongo sami then kwaphuma umcebozi
uthi ke umfana cute lisada budget uthi yazi yanzima lengoma uthi uyayithanda kakhulu ingoma yakho nayo ngumculi ke siyamazi ngolana Nongoma uhambisana noba nontando Ntuli Olundi uthi kwamanje kwaDilini bayancoma nabingoma Sandile Mseti usemtuba emadwaleni kwankomo kayixoshwe nayo uyancoma uba nomunye nontsikelelo uyancoma Thandeka Hlabisa Mzukulu kaNyambose baningi kakhulu ubani lo senquthu kwamgxangala hayi nina amagama enquthu siyabonga uba kusithokozana Hadebe futhi abantu bakhombisa ukuthanda umculo wakho mhlawumbe ungathini kubantu naba sebekhulumile bathi no umculo wakho bayawuthanda kakhulu
nje ngingadlulisa ukubonga futhi enye into edlula yonke ngiyabakhuthaza futhi abantu ukuthi beqhubeke besisupport njengama upcoming artists nathi mhlambe ngelinye ilanga sigcine sibona kuleli zinga sifuna ukufika kulo kodwa akukho kungenzeka ngaphandle kwabo ilokho nje
mhlambe ke sesivala ungathini mhlambe kubantu abasafisa ungena emculweni ababona ngathi kunzima abanye bangenile bathi no bona bayekela manje ungathini kubona bagqugquzela nje
into engayisho ukuthi into yokuqala kumele uunderstand ukuthi umusic ngabe uyawuthanda noma uyabonela kuhlukile
thanda nokubonela
because nami umusic ngiwenze ngiqale nabantu la abantu abadecide ukuthi endleleni bekhathi like yabona kubhlungu sometimes ukwenza into ungena direction nje uba aimless
udavuza nje indavunda engaziwa
ilapho ke mina engisoka khona like ubona ukuthi into uyayenza uyayithanda kodwa manje akwenzeki then if ungayenzi ngothando vele like wenza ubonela vele uzoshiya on the way kahle kahle umusic nje okudlula konke kumele uthande kahle kahle kumele uthande then if uthanda like okuningi kuzozenzakalela because no matter ukuthi ama challenges ahlangana nawe endleleni mangakanani but nje awustop you keep on pushing
ku Facebook sithola kanjani nenumber for bookings nengoma zakho ithola kanjani
okay ku Facebook ungasearcha umceboz unoZ ushuthi nje ungathi mcebo then
bese Z